What's up, everybody? I have a timeline below for anyone that wants to click and fast forward. This is a full coverage date night look. I want it to last all night long, so it's going to be a lot of things I'm going to add to my face. These are some things I did off camera. It's no need for introduction. Let's get started. The foundation I'm going to use today is the Lancôme's Tint Idole 470. And the brush I'm going to use to apply is the Real Techniques Instapop face brush, which I am loving. Thanks, NIKKIFACESMUA. If you're not following her, please do so. Also, make sure you check out IRIEJADEBEAUTY. For the Lancôme, she has a breakdown on her channel of what to use, even from concealer to sprays, everything. She's amazing, and make sure you check her out as well. But right now, this Instapop brush is everything. Next, I'm going to take the Nars Sucre Urge Radiant Creamy Concealer. Now, if you follow IRIEJADEBEAUTY, she recommend with this foundation that you use Shape Tape Sand Tan, and I would definitely recommend that as well. That was the first thing I picked up was my Sucre Urge. It kind of changed the foundation just a bit, but my foundation did last all night. But I would recommend the Shape Tape. And as you can see here, I applied the Cacao. Another pretty contour color is Black Opal Suede Mocha. So pretty. I would definitely let that be an alternate besides this Cacao. I hope I'm saying that right. But anyway, that's by Nars. But Black Opal Suede Mocha is gorgeous. My favorite blender in the world is the Maybelline Face Studio Blender. You can also use a beauty blender if you want to. You can also use a brush. You can use any of those disposable blenders. It's totally up to you what you want to use in this clip. But I love the Maybellines because I love to go in the crease with the top. And then I'll flip it to the bottom and I'll smash everything in to make sure everything is blended. Hands down, I love this blender. Now again, please keep in mind this is a full coverage look for all night. I know some may be thinking this is too much, but trust me, I knew I was going to be under a lot of people at this concert, and I knew I was going to be out for a long time, so I just want to make sure it did last all night. So right here is just a lot of blending, making sure everything is correct like you want it. Just make sure to blend everything out perfectly. So right here is a no-no. So I was like, what am I doing? So make sure you always, I'm really enjoying setting my contour first and then going back in adding the highlight part. So right here, I'm just going to take the Black Radiance and Black Coffee. Another pretty color is Rich Mahogany and Ebony. Totally up to you what colors you want to use. And then you go back in with your setting powder. And my favorite, Dermablend. I also tried the Fit Me, and I am impressed with Fit Me, and my color in Fit Me is 30. So definitely that will be an alternative. Any benign, just make sure you blend it very well. Just going back in, making sure things are smooth how I want it, and I'm good. So right here, I'm just going in with MAC Dark Deepest Mineralizer. Just want to contour my nose since I did not add too much of the foundation, the concealer of Cacao. I just want to go back in really light with Dark Deepest. And off camera, I did my brows and everything. So right now, we're just going to add the Paint Pot, my favorite ochre, soft ochre. And I'm just going to add the Dark Deepest the Dark Deepest powder. that I contour my nose with, I'm going to go ahead and put that in my crease. And right here, I don't think this is in stock anymore. A Little Folie by MAC. I think that's discontinued, but it's a very pretty color. Another color that I love is I'm Into It. Very pretty. So again, I was watching NIKKIFACESMUA, and she, oh my God, I learned so much from watching her on live. What I was noticing, what I was not doing in my makeup looks when I do my eyes, is not making that crease more, let's see, blending it out like it's supposed to. So definitely you just have to put the crease in hard and then blend it outward. And when you blend it outward, you'll take the creases out and then put a lighter color back in, and it just makes it all smooth and pretty. So definitely a big shout out once again to NIKKIFACESMUA. See here, I'm tapping it backwards. You just have to take the crease out. That's very pretty. So now I'm just going to crease the eye to get everything ready. I'm using the MAC 239 brush. And you know, I never used to do this. Like really crease it really, really good. I used to wonder why my eyeshadows won't last all day. But ever since I've been like putting enough, like I used to be scared to add a lot. But now I'm adding like a lot, and it gives the eyeshadow more depth and it stays longer. So don't be scared, people. So right here, I must have added some more in my crease because I don't remember. I looked through all my video and I didn't see it. So I added the same color I'm Into It to the crease before I added Grandstand. And everybody knows Makeup Geek's Grandstand is like one of my favorites. Man, I don't know what's up with this color, but this color pretty much goes with everything. If I put this on, it goes with anything I wear. So, and it's like a pinkish color, but it's beautiful. I love it. And we're just going to make sure the blender creases out. And off camera, I did my lashes and my NYX liquid liner. And now we're going to set the face. This is it right here. The MAC Dark Mineralizer. Another one you could use is Dark Tan. But of course, if you use 470, I was told you're not supposed to use Dark Tan. So be careful. And I love that spray. And my favorite, Danessa Myricks. Anything Danessa Myricks, I'm on board, honey. But that GotchaGlow is gorgeous. And that brush is perfect for doing Danessa's highlights. I'm just going to add the blush, Liberty by Nars. Another color that I love is Max Stubborn, Max Pinch Me. It's a lot of them by MAC, but Fever, Raisin. So once again, my favorite, Plum Pencil. Another one is Vino. I'm trying to get on the cork bandwagon. But yeah, we're going to add Plum Lip Pencil. And I found this lipstick in my stash and been loving it, and it's gone. And they're discontinued. It's Crème Cup. It is so pretty. And I pray that they bring Heather Red Melrose Mood Black. That's my Melrose Mood Back. That is one of my favorite ashy pink lipsticks. Look how pretty. All Nighter by Urban Decay. Because again, I want it to last all night. And always remember to put your mascara on last. Because if you do that, then spray, you're going to have all the black stuff under your eye. Did it plenty of times. So make sure you mascara last. And after that, I just make sure I just blend it all in. And it's freaking flawless. Do a little face check. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Thank you so much for watching.